You are about to spend $50,000 on a new SUV, and the person selling it to you knows it will lose $20,000 in value before you make your third payment. 7 used SUVs, all under $20,000, with proven engines and owner records past 200,000 miles. Every pick has the specific year, the exact engine, the real ownership cost, and the honest caveat before you spend $1. Let's get into it. Number 7. 2016 to 2018 Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback is consistently undervalued in the used market, and that mispricing is the entire opportunity. 2016, 2018 with the FB25B 2.5L is the stable configuration of this generation. IC Cars rates the 2016 model 8.0/10 reliability and ranks it among the strongest compact SUV buys under $15K. Standard symmetrical odd is permanent, not optional, and mechanically distributes torque in a way that reduces single axle stress in poor traction conditions. Engine is a 2.5L naturally aspirated flat 4, 175 HP. No turbo system means fewer heat cycles and fewer failure points. Real-world benefit is predictability under long ownership cycles. Caveat: oil consumption above 100K miles is still observed in a subset of FB25B engines. Check dipstick trends over time, not just single readings. Compression test is mandatory above 80K miles. Number 6. 2017 to 2021 Mazda CX-5. CX-5 scores 93/100 reliability on Auto Reliability Index, placing it at the top of the compact SUV segment. Mazda's design choice here is restraint, no forced induction in most trims, no cylinder deactivation complexity, and conservative engine tuning. That reduces cumulative stress on internal components over time. Engine is SKYACTIV-G 2.5L NA. Transmission prioritizes longevity over aggressive shifting logic, reducing wear at the cost of slight response delay. Best window: 2019, 2021. Earlier models remain solid but reflect earlier calibration maturity. Hidden advantage is structural rigidity and interior build quality, which reduces long-term rattles and cabin degradation compared to softer competitors. Number 5. 2016 to 2020 Toyota RAV4 2AR-Phi 2.5L engine is one of Toyota's most widely deployed NA engines. Reliability advantage comes from cross-platform deployment across Camry, Highlander, Venza, and RAV4. That scale forces early failure detection and refinement. RepairPal, $429 annual cost. JD Power, 88-100 2018. Estimated severe repair probability, 90 and 10% over first decade. Key risk zone is early 5th generation transition in 2019. Electronics calibration and minor drivetrain tuning changes created higher complaint density. 2020-2021 stabilized those issues. Number 4. 2014 to 2019 Toyota Highlander 3.5L 2GR-Phi V6 is overbuilt relative to modern downsized engines. Engineering advantage is low specific stress per cylinder, which reduces long-term thermal fatigue. This is why these engines consistently exceed 200K miles in family use conditions. RepairPal ranks it #1 midsize SUV. Expected lifespan frequently reaches 250K, 300K miles under standard maintenance. Known issue: timing covers seepage above high mileage thresholds. Transmission longevity depends heavily on fluid service discipline, not design weakness. Number 3. 2019 to 2022 Honda KR-V 4.5.5 reliability rating, $407 annual repair cost. This generation benefits from stabilizing earlier 5th gen issues and reducing variance in production tuning. Mechanical architecture remains simple compared to competitors adding hybrid or turbo layers. Cargo space is 39.2 CUFT, achieved through efficient packaging rather than increased vehicle footprint. oil dilution concern exists in early L15 B7 turbo engines, but post-2019 calibration improvements reduced frequency significantly in real-world reports. Number 2. 2017 to 2022 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. 2AR FXE hybrid system with AUD via rear electric motor. Core advantage is reduction in mechanical load distribution. Internal combustion engine does not handle full drivetrain demand alone, which reduces wear accumulation over time. Regenerative braking reduces brake system dependency on friction, extending service intervals to 80K, 100K miles in many cases. Fuel economy advantage translates to $600 and $800 annual savings depending on mileage and fuel pricing, compounding significantly over multi-year ownership. Number 1. 2019 to 2021 Honda KR-V, 4.55 reliability rating, $9G $407 annual repair cost. This is the most balanced configuration of the entire list. Stable engine tuning, resolved early generation issues, and no major redesign complexity within the window. Reliability advantage is statistical consistency, fewer outlier failures compared to competitors with more complex powertrains. Cargo space remains 39.2 CUF with efficient rear seat geometry. Honda Sensing Safety Suite is widely available without requiring rare trims. Pre-purchase priority is service consistency. Oil interval discipline matters more than mileage. A poorly maintained low-mile CR-V is a worse asset than a higher-mile well-documented example. Every SUV here has already taken its depreciation hit. You are paying for transport, not financial punishment disguised as new car smell. The real strategy is simple. Buy proven engines, avoid first-year redesigns, verify maintenance history, and skip emotional purchasing. A $17,000 well-maintained SUV beats a $50,000 loan every time the math is allowed to speak. Subscribe if this is the kind of content you want more of. Specific years, specific engines, real ownership data, new videos every week. Drop your current daily driver and mileage in the comments. What are you running and how has it held up? See you in the next one.